Hello. I am so behind. I have an amazing box from Taperlogy, and obviously I need to apologise to Florence because this should have been filmed a couple of weeks ago, but things never quite go to plan. Not in the Fox household. So we have a lovely little thank you note from Florence. And what do we have in here? We have, I think these are some beautiful trims. I think we can open this up here. Wow, these are beautiful festive trims. But they are absolutely stunning. And what do we have in here? Oh, it seems such a shame to pull this open, doesn't it? I cannot thank Florence enough and apologise for my lateness. Oh, these fabulous little die cuts. Look at these. As usual, I will be putting a link down below to this particular package that Florence has put together for me. It truly is so beautiful. Look at that tree, so delicate, and the little houses. I don't want to rush this, but I want to be able to actually finish something that I start. Some of those individual rub-ons, and how beautiful are they? Look, I just love them. That oh, look how cute that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That looks like Took's dog, Mr. Darcy, doesn't it? Oh. I think these are more rub-ons. If you don't have a printer and if you don't have access to digitals, these rub-ons are absolutely perfect for being a substitute. Let's have a look at this. Here we go. Oh my days. Look at this. A mini calendar. If you're trying to do something where you're doing like 5 minutes craft every day, or if you do some journaling, each one of the, I mean, you could, I don't know if I'd want to, but you could literally tear each page out and pop it into your project that day. This is absolutely perfect. Love this. I don't want to look too far ahead. Spoils the surprise. I think I might keep that actually on my desk. Look at these beautiful papers. And again, something I'm going to be doing today. If you don't have a Sizzix, an embossing machine, and lots of embossing folders, this kind of thing is absolutely perfect. And I know Florence in her shop has non-Christmas versions of embossed papers, so you can see how beautiful these are. If it's too late for Christmas, go ahead and take a look at Florence's shop, because that is beautiful, isn't it? That actually looks like wool, because she does have lots of non-Christmas versions of this type of paper. So it's absolutely worth having a look. And this is the last thing, so I'm going to grab this. And what I love about the packages you get from Florence is everything is kind of usable. That's beautiful. I'm going to pop that on there. And here are stencils. Florence, thank you so much. You are so generous and I do appreciate it. Like I said, I can't apologise enough for getting this video out late, but go and check out Taperlogy. The links are down below along with the discount code, and I will see you tomorrow in another video. Take care. Bye.